Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you know your girl was not gonna leave you hanging. I know you've been looking for those neutral Christmas decorations, and I told you I was gonna help you find some more places with them, because in the last video that was about the neutrals at Hobby Lobby, they were sold out of a lot of stuff, but we are at Michael's right now, and you know what, you guys? They have some options for you. Okay, so if that's going to be your theme, look at all of this good stuff that they have. Okay, now one thing I will say is that you have to be a little more creative when it comes to the neutrals right now, just because it is kind of hard to find a ton of stuff that looks like this. Okay, so with that being said, one thing I want you to think about is making sure you incorporate things like the acorns and sticks and woodsy items, like outdoor things, mixing that in with your decor. You're gonna see like some acorns and stuff like that coming up, but those are the kind of things that you can use to help you bring out the neutral tones in your decorations. Now I love the options that they have here. They had like the reindeer, and also another tip, because they had these right next to each other, is the gingerbread theme. Okay, but it's like the gingerbread man theme that's not super colorful. You know, these options as well can definitely be used for your neutral tones. Okay, you see how they have that Christmas tree up there, and it's got like a little bit of look like snow on it, or like these type of ornaments. So you don't have to actually get pieces that are gingerbread men, which those will definitely help too, but you can get stuff like out of that section. So if you go to the store and you see a gingerbread theme, make sure you kind of explore that section too, because they have some other stuff that are gonna have those browns and whites and all those colors in it. So look at there, okay, and 40% off right now. They also had these ornaments, and what I liked was, you see, it's given variety, different shades of brown and tan for you to choose from, some lighter, some darker, some greens. Okay, and those were on sale as well. They were $14.99. okay, so look, if you're having a hard time finding it, go ahead and check out Michael's. And then on the other aisles, make sure you check the other aisles as well. They had the aisles where the bows were and ribbon and stuff like that. You can always make you a bow if you want to, because you know Michael's is a craft store. Okay, you can have all the tools and all the things you need to do a lot of DIY Christmas projects too. So maybe do some DIY neutral projects. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that there are still some options out there for you. I hope you have enjoyed this look at what's in Michael's for neutral Christmas decorations. If so, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video with someone else who may be doing some of their Christmas decoration shopping too. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.